Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video we will explore how we can create S3 bucket in Amazon. So we have a different region, so you can select any region which is actually nearest to you, or you can select any region which is actually, you can say, cost savvy. So we have provided the name, and then if we want to make a version we can enable this, but right now for the sake of demonstration I am disabling this. So rest of the setting is okay. Now I'm going to create, and it's going to create. So I'm going to create one. Once the bucket is created, it is going to create, and once it's going to create, you can have two options. Either you can upload a file here, or you can create a subfolder. So I am going to create a subfolder, and this is the name of my subfolder. Okay, and then rest of the setting is okay. Now I have going to create one more folder, and I'm going to name is target. Okay, so rest of the setting is okay. To quickly demonstrate, and now I'm going to inside in my first folder, and now I'm going to upload any file. Maybe the file could be a CSV, parquet, or any type of files, txt files. So let me upload any file so I can demonstrate. To click add files, you have to go and select any CSV file, like this is my CSV file, ISCS, and then it will actually uploading. Click upload, and after clicking upload, it's going to be available. Like here you have, if you click here, so you can have endpoints, URLs, and different type of attribute you can see. If I scroll down, so you can see different type of attributes. So next part is, if we have assign a role, so how we can assign it. So thank you very much for watching this video.